Getting to check out the heroes of the dare stock division. Joey Farino has taken the pace car to Sanctuary, and we are about to get rowdy for the final 3 laps. A great restart by Albert Saunders. He is holding his own on the outside against Joshua Wood.
Amazing the restart that he got. Meanwhile, here comes Don Wood to move in to try to take over second. He follows his son down the backstretch, deep into turn number 3. Casagrande right there back in the middle of the mix. That's David Arnoux still not giving up in a dying battle.
So we have Don Wood second. Then it's Casagrande making a late rush. Car number 7. He gets bumped around trying to maintain his momentum, but Hayes will be able to keep his number 4 position.
Meanwhile, they still continue to thunder their way through the turn. Hayes still holding on to the 4th spot. There's the white flag, but there's no surrendering in the battle.
Casagrande trying to take that spot away from Hayes is unable to do it. Arnoux is behind him. But we're coming up to coronation time for car number 51. Joshua Wood trying to nail down his 3rd win of the season as he sprints off of turn number